So good morning students. Next we come to that is the next problems. Up to 12 questions we have discussed on the 13.1 chapter, exercise number 13.1. So next we come to that is the 13th problem in the exercise number 13.1 of the limit and derivative chapter. So in the previous 12 problems, so they are the polynomials, but here we got the trigonometric function. So means we have to use the formulas or to evaluate, or you have to use that is the formula which we have made, that is a trigonometric function, limit of the trigonometric function. Already we know that limit as x tends to 0, that is a sin x divided by x is equal to 1. So let be careful here, nothing is there. If 1, if suppose something is here, so that time also if limit as x tends to 0, sin ax, if here also we need the ax, so then at that time it will become a 1. If suppose something, this term is here and it is not there, we have to bring that. It is a constant. This constant the multiply or divide by using that term. So let me take that as limit as x tends to 0, sin ax divided by bx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ax ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ bx ಐತಿ, ಬಟ್ a ಬರೋದು b ಇದ್ರೆ ನಡೆಯಲ್ಲ. a ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿವೈಡ್. b ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು. So that is 1 by b is a constant. Then limit as x tends to 0, what we got? Sin ax divided by x1. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? a ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು 1, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? a ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ into divide ಮಾಡಿ into a. It is constant, we can take outside the limit. Then a by bi into limit as x tends to 0. Now we got that is a sin ax divided by ax. ಇದೊಂದು ಏನಿದೆ? Already by the formula we know that it is equal to 1. So that is a by b into 1. So a by b into 1 is equal to what we got? A by b. So this is completes the problem. Why? Because we know that limit as x tends to 0, sin ax divided by ax is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. So this completes the problem. So next we move to that is the 14th problem. Limit as x tends to 0, sin ax divided by sin bx. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವಾದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ, ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ 0 by 0. ಇದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0 by. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇದ್ದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as x tends to 0, sin ax divided by ax is equal to 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? x. ಎರಡೂ ಸೈನ್ ಅದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ಗೂ x ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೂ x ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಲೇ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹೌದ್ರಿ? ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಸಮ first we make that is equal to limit as x tends to 0, that is sin ax divided by x whole divided by sin bx divided by x. So this is ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ, ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ ನೌ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ a a, then we have to get a. Here we have a b, then we have to get b here. Then only, so that formula can be easily applicable. Otherwise, we cannot possible to write that is a 1 for that. So for that, I will do the adjustment. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ as f of x divided by g of x is equal to ಏನು ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ? That is limit as x tends to 0 f of x divided by limit as x tends to 0 g of x ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ. ಹೌದ್ರಿ? So using this formula, first we will make the simplification. That is equal to limit as x tends to 0, that is the sin ax divided by x, whole divided by limit as x tends to 0 sin bx divided by x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ a ಬರೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ a ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದ್ರ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವಿಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ a by b into limit as x tends to 0, that is the sin ax divided by ax, whole divided by limit as x tends to 0 sin bx divided by bx, sin bx divided by bx. So if we substitute, that is by using this, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 1 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then what we get? a by b into 1 by 1. So 1 a into 1 a divided by b. So this is the final answer, because by this result, by using this result. So we got this. Next we move to the another problem. Next 15. Limit as x tends to 0 sin pi minus x divided pi into pi minus x as x tends to So here you know the formula only when the limit formula ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ? as x tends to 0, that is sin x by x is equal to 1. ಅವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಮಗೆ ಏನೈತಿ 1 ಐತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿ? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೇವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೈತಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಐತ್ರಿ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದು sin x by x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ pi minus x, ಹೌದು? ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ದಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಲೆಟ್ pi minus x is equal to ಏನು ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ? y. ಸೊ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ x ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ರಿ? pi ಅಂದ್ರೆ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? x ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ pi ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, pi minus pi 0, y goes to 0. ಸೊ x ಏನಾರ pi ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪ್ರೋಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ then therefore is equal to limit as y tends to 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸರ್ y ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. So then sin y divided by x pi minus 1, x under y, that pi into 1. So 1 by pi is a constant, it is free from the limit. Let's take 1 by pi, limit as y tends to 0, that is a sin y divided by y, sin y divided by y. Every limit y tends to 0, sin y by y is equal to every 1. So that is equal to 1 by pi into this is 1, because by this result. So is equal to, finally we got 1 by. So this completes the problem. Next we come to the another problem, that is the 16th problem. 16ನೇ problem ಬರೋಣ್ರಿ. 16th, limit as x tends to 0, cos x divided by pi minus x divided by. So now we can fill first the limit. ಇದಕ್ಕಂತೂ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲರಿ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತುಂಬ ನೋಡಬೇಕು whether we get defined form or undefined form, we have to check it. So limit as x tends to 0, that is cos x divided by pi minus x. So x equal 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos 0 divided by pi minus 0. So ಯಾವಾಗ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ರಿ. If you put that limit, it's enough, it's completed, it's 1. Cos 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ 1 by pi minus 0, that is pi. It completes the problem. So next we move to the another problem. So 17th problem. Limit as x tends to 0, cos 2x minus 1 divided by cos x minus 1 cos x. If you put there is a limit, what we have to observe that is equal to limit as x tends to 0, that is cos 2x minus 1 divided by cos x minus 1. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು 0 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ cos 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1, so that is 1 by minus 1. Cos 0 1 minus 1, so 1 minus 1 0, that is 0 by 0. 0 by 0 is the undefined form, is undefined form. If it is undefined form, then what we have to do, we have to get our limit to the defined form. So then for that purpose, what we have to do, we have to use the formula, or which we have already studied, that is the limit of the trigonometry. We have to use that concept. So cos 2x minus 1, we don't know that. So 1 minus cos x, we know that. 1 minus cos 2x, we know that. 1 minus cos x, we know that. But here what we have, cos x, for that we'll bring minus common. So then we'll take that as limit as x tends to 0, that is minus common toward 1 minus cos 2x divided by minus common toward 1 minus cos x. So this is minus cancel. This modification we have to make, that is limit as x 1 minus cos 2x divided by 1 minus cos x. So either formula ಗೊತ್ತದವರಿ, ನಾವು already trigonometric formula ಕಲ್ತೇವೆ. 1 minus cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2 sin square x. ಅದೇ 1 minus cos x ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 2 sin square x by 2. ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, is equal to limit as x tends to 0 1 minus cos 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೈತಿ 2 sin square x, that is 2 sin square x divided by 2 sin square x by 2. So again we know the formula, that is the sin square sin x. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2. This sin square sin x means that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. So this formula ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನನಗೆ. So let me use this formula. What happens? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಐತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, is equal to, still we have not substituted the limit as x tends to 0, as x tends to 0, that is sin square. ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದಲ್ರಿ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, sin square x ಇದ್ದದನ್ನ sin x whole square ಬರಿಬಹುದು. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, 2 sin x by 2, that we can write, that is equal to sin x whole square divided by sin square x by 2, x by 2. sin x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ, sin x is nothing but 2 sin x by 2 into cos. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೆಳಗಿನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಸಮ. So is equal to limit as x tends to 0, that is 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 whole square, whole divided by sin square x by 2. ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, a into b into c whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ a square b square c square, that is equal to limit as x tends to 0, 2 square 4 sin square x by 2 into cos square x by 2 whole divided by sin square x by 2. ಏನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು, sin square x by 2 sin square x by 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಏನು ಉಳಿತ್ರಿ, 4 into limit as x tends to 0, that is cos square x by 2. ಎಲ್ಲಿ x ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is the substitution of the limit, that is cos 0 square 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0, cos 0 is 1, 1 square is 1, 4 into 1, so that is equal to 4. This is the limit of this function. So next we move, that is the problem number 18. 18 model. So next we come to the 18th problem. 18th problem is equal to limit as x tends to 0, ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x. b sin x, b sin x. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಿಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ we have to observe that whether it is defined or not defined. So then we have to move to the alternative method. ಹೌದ್ರಿ, ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ, ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀವು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ತುಂಬಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೇರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ x, we have to put the 0, limit as x tends to 0, that is ax plus x cos x divided by b sin x. So this is d sin. Lx ಎಲ್ಲ 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ a into 0 plus 0 into cos x cos 0 divided by b into sin 0. So when if you put the limit, don't use that symbol, it is very important. 0 into any term 0, 0 into any term 0, sin 0 0. So we got that is 0 by 0, which is undefined, which is undefined, which is undefined, which is undefined. So if it is undefined means what we have to do? We have to bring that to the defined form by using some simplification, using the formulas. So let me try. Now a common agutri, x common agutri. That we have to think. So is equal to limit as x tends to 0, x common agutri a plus cos x divided by b into sin x. b into sin x. We know the reciprocal relation. X reciprocal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that is limit as x tends to 0, that is sin x by x is equal to 1. ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ, ಅದರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತ್ರಿ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ that is 1 by b ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತೈತ್ರಿ. So then limit as x tends to 0, a plus b cos x divided by x reciprocal ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, limit as x tends to 0, sin x divided by x. Now we know the formula and put the limit here. ಇದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತೈತೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 by b into ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ a plus cos 0 divided by 1 by that formula is equal to cos 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by b into a plus 1 divided by 1. So what we got? a plus 1 divided by b. So this completes the problem. Okay, we will discuss next tomorrow.